Lafeber's tropical fruit Nutri Berries are a nutritious, 100% natural balanced diet. They are designed to provide your bird with a variety of beak and tongue sensations to encourage ingestion of this nutritious diet. It consists of pellets, papaya, pineapple, mango, and banana with no artificial colors or flavors. You want to feed 10 to 12 Nutri-Berries at a time for 80% of the diet and supplement the other 20% with fresh fruits, vegetables, and treats. Nutri-Berries are available for cockatiels, conures, parrots, and macaws. For additional information on the products used in this video, please visit PetSolutions.com.